in the forest, something waits. Abandoned, forgotten, left to decay completely.
A Grumman F-14 Tomcat fighter jet.
Can this wreck be saved again?
One team believes it's still possible.
Extraction proves challenging from the start. Nature releases its grip very slowly.
Rising from its grave at last. The journey home finally begins today.
Miles of road stand between hope.
The workshop awaits its new patient. The workshop becomes its new home. Every surface tells a story here.
Decay has penetrated deep inside today.
The cockpit reveals decades of neglect.
The wing mechanism is completely seized.
Nature moved in where pilots belonged.
Structural damage demands careful attention next. But nothing stops this restoration team. The restoration begins with careful disassemble. Every component removed with extreme precision.
Decades of debris finally cleared away.
Then, an unexpected discovery emerges suddenly. Each panel cataloged and carefully stored.
The twin engines must come out.
£4,000 of raw power. Disassembly complete. Now, the real work. Pressure washing begins the transformation process.
Decades of grime blast away instantly.
Original Navy markings slowly emerge now. Clearing the arteries of this machine. Engine grime surrenders to degreaser finally. Chemistry begins defeating the corrosion war. Penetrating oil battles decades of rust.
Movement! The mechanism can be saved!
The cockpit slowly reveals its secrets. Clean, but the hardest work awaits.
Structural integrity must be verified completely. Sometimes destruction precedes true reconstruction.
New metal shaped to match exactly.
Each rivet restores structural integrity again.
Finally, the breakthrough we needed desperately.
The engine heart requires complete rebuilding. New blades promise power once more. New hydraulic lines restore vital systems. The cockpit becomes functional once more.
Repairs complete. Now the surface awaits.
Surface preparation begins with coarse sanding. Progressively finer grits create perfect smoothness. Surfaces cleaned for perfect primer adhesion. Masking protects what paint shouldn't touch. Primer seals and protects bare metal.
Transformation already dramatically visible, now completely.
Wet sanding achieves glass-like final smoothness. Final cleaning before color transforms everything.
The rebuilt heart returns to home.
Surface preparation complete. Paint day arrives.
The iconic navy gray returns beautifully.
Each pass brings history back alive. The classic two-tone scheme takes shape. The twin tails regain their glory. Beautiful, but not yet fully complete.
Military markings restore official Navy identity.
One last obstacle blocks our path. Clear coat seals perfection for eternity. The restored canopy returns to position.
Landing gear ready to bear weight.
Final polish achieves absolute mirror perfection. Final inspection passed. Restoration is complete.
The iconic wings sweep perfectly again.
Cockpit instruments come alive once more.
The moment of truth finally arrives.
Ignition. The engine roars to life. Both engines running, 40,000 pounds thrust.
Tests complete. Now the final reveal.
From wreck to masterpiece in moments. Behold the impossible, made real today. Decades of damage completely erased forever. Every detail restored to factory glory.
And it functions like new again.
From the ashes rises true beauty.
Before and after, tell the story.
Back where the journey first began. Pride in craftsmanship conquers all doubt.
Restoration complete. Legacy preserved forever now. Rust falls. Steel rises. This is Dead Metal. Subscribe now and watch machines live again.